My research proposal focuses on human encroachment on the habitat of the Florida panther and the steps that can be taken in preventing the endangered species from becoming extinct entirely. So why is this so important? For one thing, the Florida panther is one of the most endangered species in America and on Earth. Focusing conservation efforts on protecting the species from humans could potentially play a key role in preventing the animal from one day becoming extinct entirely. So I plan on doing this research project by starting off locating areas that are considered ideal habitats which are sustainable for the Florida panthers. So luckily this information was already found for me, and they're called panther habitat zones. So they're basically areas in Florida that are considered sustainable for the Florida panthers to thrive within. So first of all, once I find these areas, I'm also going to look at Florida panther data and create MCEs out of it so I can figure out which areas within these panther habitat zones have the largest concentrations of the animal. And generally, through this, I'll locate hotspots or areas in which panther populations are prevalent that are also sustainable for these animals to live. Secondly, I will also look at the clusters of human-related panther mortalities within these habitat zones, starting out with gathering data of all the recorded panther mortalities from the past years, and then selecting by attribute and location, determining areas that fall within these habitat zones, which were also caused by humans. So once I find these clusters of human-caused panther mortalities, I'll add roads to determine the proximity of human development to where these human-related mortalities occurred. So how can all of this research be used to solve the problem and help make sure that the Florida panther can continue living in Florida and won't go extinct? So first of all, once we identify these hotspots, which are sustainable areas that are home to a large population of panthers, conservation efforts can be made to protect these locations. One of these could be ceasing human development, as well as just raising awareness that these places are sustainable areas home to panthers. Secondly, once we identify panther problem areas, which are locations that have a history of prevalent human-caused panther mortalities, efforts can be made to make these areas safer for the panther population. By doing these two things, the likelihood of the panther coming extinct can hopefully be lessened. Thank you.